Hey there, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to tackle a common problem that many of us face when working with computer systems. The problem we'll be diving into is the challenge of fixing issues with the internet connection on our devices. Whether you're trying to stream your favorite show or just browse the web, a shaky internet connection can really put a damper on your day. But fear not, because we've got a solution for you. Let's explore how you can get your internet back up and running smoothly in no time. The solution to this pesky internet connectivity problem lies in resetting your network settings. By doing this, you can clear out any glitches or errors that may be causing the issue. Simply navigate to your device's network settings. Locate the option to reset network settings and give a tap. This will refresh your connection and hopefully resolve any issues that were preventing you from accessing the internet. Easy peasy, right? It's important to note that resetting your network settings may cause your device to forget saved Wi-Fi passwords, so make sure you have those handy before proceeding. Once you reset the network settings, give your device a quick restart, and then try reconnecting to your Wi-Fi network. With any luck, you should now have a stable internet connection to resume your online activities without any hiccups. And there you have it, problem solved. In conclusion, dealing with internet connection problems can be frustrating, but with a quick network settings reset, you can often resolve the issue swiftly. Remember to always keep your Wi-Fi passwords saved somewhere safe to avoid any extra hassle. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. Thanks for watching and happy browsing.